Zara, you're killing me.
What don't you want your room to look like?
Like how it does right now. So they're the colours I got. So I just thought they created that kind of moodiness that I wanted to achieve in this space. Okay, so like I'm thinking it's very bold now. I was either gonna go like all black, like black woodwork and black walls, or like black woodwork and then like kind of like this kind of grey kind of wall, or like the grey wall and the black wall, like the grey woodwork and the black wall. Okay, it's finally that day. Dean's let me into his room to paint, so I'm excited. So I have like the paint thing here ready. The paint's going in there. Painting this wall. See, I accidentally thought I wanted the grey here, but now I don't, so it has to be painted over, and all the ceiling, and it all needs to be touched up. Okay, so that's the first day of painting the ceiling. It looks a lot better at the moment. So next then is filling in all these holes and repainting it, and then touching up the black, and then that'll be it all done. The first peel off. Oh. I mean, how did I know that was going to happen? I mean, I should have left it on overnight, but you know what? It's fine. We're going to cope with it. We're not going to stress. It's going to be fine. Okay, so this happened when I was removing the masking tape. That's like the actual wall cutter and the ceiling. So when I was painting the ceiling, all the wall cutter kind of came off. So yeah, that's going to be fun to fill in. This is real behind the scenes. Removing all the curtain hooks.
Now that my room's finished, I'm happy with the outcome and James done a good job.
What's your favourite element of your space?
I like the mirror because I love looking at myself.
Was it worth the splurge on it?
I know, we'll have to see within the next week or so. I think it was, yeah. My favourite is the new carpet and my least favourite is Dad's zebra pillow.
Are you glad you done it?
I'm glad it's finished. Yeah, now I have a nice room that I can go and chill in comfortably.
Will you change your room again, or will you keep like this now for a while?
No, I will not be changing it again. This is it, forever, forever.
Okay, let's have a look at the final space. So, I'm just going to start with my favourite thing in this space is definitely the paintwork. I'm very impressed how this turned out. It was mid painting everything else. I just felt like this kind of area needed something, and that kind of brought along the rest of the space. So let's start off over at the bed area. So we kept the original bed and we just painted it black because, you know, you don't need to spend a million to look a million. And then we added in this beautiful bedding from Zara. It's grey and white, but it has a very subtle line pattern, which I really like. And I love it against this kind of like crocheted bedspread as well. It's very thick and heavy. And I just think it really fits that relaxed vibe. And then finish off with some cushions and some prints from the Senio. As you know, I always use the Senio in all like my projects. I just think they're such amazing quality and they're so affordable. Then over here in the little TV area, I decided to get 2 shelves from Ben Simpson Furniture. They do the best solid wood floating shelves and they just look like chunky and heavy, and it's a very nice finish. And I just want to keep it that dark oak to kind of tie in with the wardrobes over here because these weren't able to be removed. And I just finished off with like the TV, which had to stay, which I mean, everyone needs a TV in their bedroom. And then some books, magazines, because Dean loves to read magazines. And a little eucalyptus plant because it's just simple, easy, and adds a bit of pop of colour as well, like some green and texture. And this is a really cute vase as well from Zara. I really like this kind of stoneware shape of it, it's very nice. Then over here in the kind of window bay area, first of all, the view from this window is just amazing. So you just put in a little chair. This isn't really, you know, this is a last minute addition. The main kind of focus here was the floor length mirror because Dean always wanted a full mirror to look at himself in. So we added this in here, and I really like the finish on this because it has like an iron edging which kind of ties in with the side tables over here. They also have an iron kind of edge, and your TV and your lighting as well, like little black accents. Also with the skirting, and then we added in like some beautiful curtains. These are the blackout thermal curtains. I love to add them, and then I added in some lovely voiles on the inside. It just added a bit more like interest and luxury, I think, to the space. It also creates that kind of framing, like, you know, very relaxed, calming. It's a bedroom, you know, and I love like the kind of roof line of this room as well. I think everything fits in very nicely together. And then I love this gorgeous light from H&M. I don't think this is for sale anymore. I think it's sold out, but when I seen it, I was like, this is perfect, like just perfect for the space. I mean, it's a bit kind of off this way. I prefer it to be a bit more over here, but you know, it's fine. And it's really nice. It just has like some, that line kind of pattern as well. It's very like, I don't know how to describe it, relaxed. And just ignore the lighting, it's not great. It's sunset at the moment. And then just up on these kind of shelves up here, they're kind of an awkward spot to kind of style. So I just kind of put like a picture frame and a little marble ball on one of them because it doesn't really need anything else. I think down here they'd be too low, so they're kind of centered here, which is nice. And then you have your bathroom there, and that is everything. Yeah, so Dean, what are your thoughts on it? Come on, let us all know.
Oh, it's lovely. I'm really happy. Yeah,
yeah, it's very nice, isn't it? What's your favourite thing now that you see it all in front of you?
Oh, the bed.
The bed? Is it the duvet? Yeah, it's a feathered duvet, feathered pillows. I just think it just adds that, like, you know, lovely, luxurious vibe. I love this bedding though. Like, Zara really came through on the bedding. I didn't think they'd have the bedding would be like feel nice. That was more so just for luck, but actually it does feel very nice. So yes, let me know what you thought anyway, and thank you so much for watching.